SmartOn, the Ondulit solution that transforms every enclosure into a work of design and technology. A slab with a contemporary design, light and resistant. Made from selected materials, SmartOn offers the versatility to adapt perfectly to your project. With a snap-on system, SmartOn installs quickly, guaranteeing long-lasting performance without compromise. With its labyrinthine drainage joint, SmartOn protects you from seepage, even in the most challenging conditions. Maximum impermeability, integrity, and safety even at low gradients. Specific accessories enable customized solutions for every project. SmartOn slabs can be produced on-site to optimize logistics and assembly and reduce costs. Much more than a slab, a certified roofing system at the highest level of the industry, with an aesthetically pleasing modern design for every type of building. In every detail, SmartOn brings well-being and beauty, creating unique environments in which to live and work. This is what we have always done. SmartOn. Build you comfort anywhere.